I'm going to teach you how to dry your incense. After you prepare your incense and you have dipped them into your fragrance and your DPG oil, the next step will be how to dry them. You need a well-ventilated space. You need your temperature control, room temperature, average anywhere between 64 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and you need ventilation so the incense can actually dry. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can dry your incense. First of all, you have your bucket, which is full of incense and DPG. What I normally do is I take this bucket, I tilt it until all the oil has run out and there's nothing but incense left in. Then I take my incense and I lay them out either in a TP fashion in order for them to dry, or I use the lay down segment. It takes longer this way. TP is faster.